What's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my channel. How to make a narcissist obsessed with you. That is the title of today's episode. Narcissists want to be the center of attention. Narcissists love to be praised. They lack empathy. And this makes them extremely manipulative and controlling. Narcissists wants to be in the limelight. Narcissists only think about themselves. They are selfish. They are self-centered. They love gaslighting, manipulating others. Narcissists always want to talk about themselves. Their favorite topic is themselves. A narcissist will always chase after you, and they'll become obsessed with what they can't have. Narcissists are self-obsessed creatures. They are entirely in love with themselves. Now, there are certain reasons why narcissists become obsessed with people. But at the end of the day, the main motive of the narcissist is always self-serving. So when dating a narcissist, you need to know that they are not easy to break up with. A narcissist can be very, very, very manipulative. Now, narcissists become obsessed with people when they believe that they own them. This also applies for the exes of the narcissist. According to the narcissist, if they owned you once, they believe they own you forever. Narcissists never want you to be happy. They don't want you to move on with someone else. They don't want you to be happy with someone else. And they don't want you to move on with anyone they know. So narcissists hate sharing. They don't want to share you with anyone else. How dare someone else share you with them? To get a narcissist's attention and hold it, you have to do certain things a little differently. Narcissists want relationships that can feed their need for attention, admiration, affection. Now, you can manipulate the narcissist and use that need to your advantage. Now, if you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, hooked up to you, number one, ignore them. Once you start ignoring the narcissist, they will come after you. Ignore their texts, their calls, their messages for days. Narcissists are insecure people. They need constant attention. And if you deny them that, then they will hunt you. Now, if you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, let them chase after you. Clearly, narcissists believe they are special, they are unique, and that they deserve special treatment. Narcissists think and believe that the world must revolve around them. Narcissists are self-entitled people. They are entitled to everything. And because of these reasons, narcissists will never stop chasing you. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, the other way is to look your best. Narcissists love appearances, so make sure you look your best. They want to be seen with someone who is good looking. If you want to see the narcissist obsessed with you, then be good, look good. Look better than the narcissist. Put a lot of effort into your clothes, into your personal grooming. Look your best no matter what. The narcissist will note that you're always attractive. They'll want to be seen with you. And the narcissist will appreciate more if you reflect their personal style. Choose outfits with matching colors or styles that are good, that the narcissist will find attractive. Narcissists are attracted to people who are confident and people who have a strong sense of self. So if you want to get the narcissist attention, then you need to look your best. Dress the part and use makeup to make the narcissist feel like they are the only to make to make the narcissist feel that you are the only one in the room. Now, the other way of making the narcissist obsessed with you is to play hot and cold. Keep the narcissist on their toes. Make them want to chase you. To attract the narcissist, be flirty. To signal your interest. Laugh at their jokes. Touch the narcissist's shoulder. Offer big smiles. Once the narcissist enjoys your attention, then start ignoring them. Since your narcissist will be wanting your company, they will want to reach out to you. Now, ignoring the narcissist may seem to be harsh, but the narcissist may value you even more because you're not always available. The other way to make a narcissist obsessed with you: just be a little proud, be a little arrogant. Narcissists are attracted to confidence because they have very low self-esteem. Nothing attracts a narcissist like walking into the room with your head held high, commanding everyone's attention. The narcissist wants your attention and approval. Narcissists need validation from others because it feeds their ego. Some narcissists see confident people as a challenge. They may try to break a confident person's spirit through the cycle of narcissistic abuse. And this means idealization, devaluation, and rejection. So don't fall for it. Now, to make the narcissist obsessed with you, show them that you are a prize. Narcissists like valuable things. So flaunt your status or influence. To make the narcissist obsessed with you, let them chase or rescue. Let them rescue. Give the narcissist the chance to be stronger or better than you in some way. Narcissists have to feel valued, or otherwise they won't be interested. To make a narcissist obsessed with you, keep busy with your own friends and activities. Show the narcissist that you have a life of your own so that they want to be part of it. If the narcissist believes that you're giving your attention and energy to other people, to other relationships, then they may get jealous or protective. Spend time doing your own hobbies. Let the narcissist in your life know about it. The narcissist will think and will see that you're not committed to the relationship. So you'll seem like a challenge. Now, to make the narcissist obsessed with you, skip the compliments. Narcissists grow bored if they know you like them. So keep your nice thoughts about them to yourself. If you start praising the narcissist, they'll just take you for granted. So don't praise them. Another way of making the narcissist obsessed with you: be emotionally withdrawn. Narcissists want you to feel deeply for them. So keep your distance. The narcissist wants you to love them. don't love them. Completely overlook them. Narcissists are used to controlling and manipulating those around them and having people fawn at their feet. If you know that the narcissist wants you, and if you completely overlook them, then you become a challenge to them. They'll be obsessed with you. If you want to make a narcissist obsessed with you, create drama. To keep the narcissist obsessing about you, keep your life filled with drama, gossip, excitement, and adventures. And the narcissist will continue coming back for more drama. Remember, narcissists thrive on attention and over-the-top theatrics. So when you do spend time with them, make a point of being exciting or argumentative. Narcissists love being around someone who is unpredictable, especially if they get to be in the spotlight. Now, if you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, break up with them first. Narcissists prefer to initiate a breakup so that they feel they're the ones in control. Cut off contact with the narcissist. The narcissist will obsess over you, why you left, and how they can get you back. Now, another way to make a narcissist obsessed with you is to flirt with others and make the narcissist feel jealous. If you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, then don't go beyond the love bombing stage. While the narcissist is busy idealizing you, love bombing you, showing you the love, making you happy, leave him, leave her. Then the narcissist will be obsessed with you. If you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, be elusive. The narcissist wants you to be in their hands. They want to control you. So become slippery. They want you to need them. Don't need them. Because they plan to abuse you and trauma bond you into believing that they are your only source of validation and security. Don't give them that. The other way to make the narcissist obsessed with you, retain your independence. If you discard the narcissist fast, the narcissist will go crazy. They want to be the ones who discard you. Discarding the narcissist will cause an immediate blow to their ego in the form of rejection, which goes directly against their false image that they are perfect. So, if you want to make the narcissist obsessed with you, move on and be happy without them. When the narcissist sees how good you are without them, they will be infuriated because they are the godlike being who they believe they are more superior to you. How can you possibly be happy without them? So to make the narcissist obsessed with you, don't commit. Narcissists harm people, especially the most vulnerable. And this is why the best way to flee a narcissistic relationship is not to commit at all. Remember, narcissists are not easy to attract. They have a lot of narcissistic traits that make them difficult to get close to. Narcissists will obsess over you. Now, if you want to make the narcissist obsessed over you, pretend that you don't have time. Be busy. Being busy is one of the best ways to make someone interested in you because it creates a sense of mystery around your life and makes the narcissist curious about what's going on with your life. Don't give the narcissist compliments. I already talked about that. Don't praise them. And they'll be obsessed with you. If you don't give gifts or compliments, then the narcissist will want to know what is wrong. and this will hurt them more, and they'll be obsessed with you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. Share this video widely to all those who may need it. Thank you, and may God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.